Today I'm taking a look at the Noise Tryspace Windshield Sunshade. So this has an interesting soft material on it. It's definitely still just a plastic, but something about it looks and feels a little bit more soft than the normal plastic you get with a sunshade. I do like seeing that we actually have a full reflective material on the inside on this model. So the silver is going to be facing away. That's going to reflect the light away. The black is going to be on the inside of the car. That's going to help to absorb any of the light that gets into the car. So it's not going to be reflecting it back onto the interior. Okay, so this is still the umbrella style. The same strap that we used to wrap around the entire thing. We can use that to wrap around our rear view mirror. I do like seeing down the corners, these are still flexible, so if somebody just comes and quickly jams that into the windshield, you don't have to worry about this thing damaging your trim. And I really just like the umbrella style retraction. We don't have to grab the thing and spin it up like we used to have to with the old style sunshades. This is just much more convenient. And this actually has a flexible handle on it, so we can kind of bend that around our dash if we need to. And that does come with a pouch, so if we want to when we're done, we can stuff that guy in. It is not very hot out today. We're looking at about 67 degrees. One of the things I like seeing about this is that the sunshade is in fact taking up a majority of the heat instead of putting it on my dash. So I'm going to take this guy down. I'm going to give it a couple hours and we'll come back to it. And here we are without it. So you can see we went from 67 degrees to 100 degrees on the dashboard. And it's not even that hot out right now. So that is how you get all of that cracking and everything that goes on those dashboards. They just soak up a lot of heat. I'm going to put this guy back up. That's going to protect my dashboard, and it's also going to protect the inside of my car. It's going to make it a lot cooler inside of here. If you don't have one, you should get one. These things are just fantastic.